chasing the easy life. We're chasing the easy life. We're chasing the easy life. We're chasing the sun tonight. We're chasing the easy life. Easy life.
Hey family and frenzies, welcome back to our channel. How are you guys today? It's a beautiful day here in Jersey. Guys, it's actually 52 degrees. Can you believe that? But anyway, I am back today with another grocery haul for you guys. I went to Trader Joe's today. So Trader Joe's is not actually a place where I shop on a daily basis, guys. I usually go there just to pick up a few things. There are a lot of things that I like there, but I have been doing my research on some of the most popular items at Trader Joe's and some of the must-tries. So I wanted to head back so I can see what all the hype is about. So I'm going to show you guys what we got today, and if there's some things that you could recommend that I may not have, let me know what it is, guys. I have no problem with going back and trying out some new food, okay? All right, let me show you guys what we got. Okay, guys, so before I start, what I'm gonna do is show you 20 of the most popular items that I've, did some research on. A lot of people say these items are actually top must-tries at Trader Joe's. So I'm gonna show you the most popular items first. Like I said, it's 20. And then I'll proceed with the rest of the groceries that I got, okay? All right, so to start off, I got a container of these delicious chocolate chip cookies. These cookies are so good and they're light. So you get a lot in this container. As you can see, it's a nice size container. These cookies are good for on the go, while you're in the car, road trips, daily snack, school or work. I'm into those quick snacks and quick lunches, things like that. Something that's nice and convenient, something that you could just grab and leave. But those cookies are really, really, really good, y'all. Next, I have 2 bags of the beef and broccoli. And as you can see with the frozen items, I have 2 of each, except for the potatoes, but I have 2 of each only because my entire family love this food and 1 bag is just not enough for us. So yeah, I got 2 bags of the beef and broccoli. This beef and broccoli is really, really good. It does have a little bit of spice, but not a lot, just enough to give it a little kick. You will see some red pepper flakes, in this here dish, but it's really, really good. And it goes very well with some white rice. So if you haven't tried this beef and broccoli, I would definitely recommend you go and try this. It's really, really good. Next, you already know, if you're a Trader Joe's shopper, you already know about the Mandarin orange chicken. This chicken is the bomb. We love it. It's amazing. The first time I tasted it, I was really shocked because I didn't think it was going to be as good as it was, but it really is. It's delicious. Nice, quick meal. Again, you can pair this with some rice. You can even pair it with noodles, whatever you want. It's really, really good. Next, right here, I have a small container of the salsa especial. I got the mild. I heard that this is really, really good as well. I just picked up some tortilla chips that we can have with this. I'm excited to try this. We may try this tonight as a snack after dinner. Next, I have a bag of the roasted corn. which is another popular item here at Trader Joe's. Also, I got a bag of the soft, juicy mango. I love mango, and this would be a really nice snack whenever I feel like having something sweet. Next, I have a bag of roasted potatoes, and these roasted potatoes already have the peppers and onions with it, so you could just throw these potatoes on a cookie sheet and throw it right in the oven for a few minutes, and there you go. You have your roasted potatoes, nice and simple. Okay, now what I plan to do with this is I may use it as a side for breakfast. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna turn this into a meal, put a meat on the side, maybe I'll put some sausage or some chicken on the side. We're gonna call it a day with that. Okay, next I have 2 bags of the chicken fried rice. This is really good. Also, I tried this one time and me and my family, we loved it. This will actually be the first for us. We never tried this. The barbecue teriyaki chicken, marinated barbecue chopped dark chicken meat with authentic teriyaki sauce. So I figured if we like the beef and broccoli and we like the general chicken, I'm sure we're gonna love this here chicken teriyaki. I'm sure. I'm almost positive that we're gonna like it. All right. Next, back here, I have 2 boxes of the cereal bars. I have 1 blueberry and then I have 1 strawberry. We like cereal bars. We like Nutri-Grain, so I know that we'll probably like this. I love apple, but for some reason, I'm not too fond of the apple cereal bars. We like the blueberry, we like the strawberry. I'll get apple sometimes, but it's one of our least favorites, so I'll try and stick to what we like. Okay, next, back here, guys, I got the mini hold the cone. Okay, now this was another must try item at Trader Joe's. A lot of people, you know, said that this is really good. It's the right size. It's 8 mini ice cream cones filled with rich vanilla ice cream and chocolatey coating. So I'm sure that's really good, guys. I can't wait to try this. All right, next over here, I have a box of the shrimp seafood burgers. Never had a shrimp burger before. I'm excited to try this as well. We're gonna sear these up and probably put a little seafood seasoning on it and turn it into a burger, just like you see it on the box. We'll probably put some lettuce with it, maybe cucumber, and maybe I'll put some type of sauce on the bread as well. I'm not sure what type of sauce, but we'll figure it out. But anyway, yes, we got the shrimp seafood burgers. A lot of people have said that these shrimp burgers are really good. Next, I have a can of the jumbo cinnamon rolls. These cinnamon rolls are very popular at Trader Joe's as well. I'm not sure if it's gonna taste like Cinnabon, but it's worth a try. We're gonna definitely try these jumbo cinnamon rolls, see what that's about. All right, now back here, I have one of the avocado cooking sprays. Okay, I cook with a lot of cooking spray, and this is supposed to be much healthier. Okay, much healthier. This, guys, I picked up. Okay, this is like a sauce that you could put on your burgers. So I hear that this sauce is mimicking a sauce that they sell at In-N-Out. I actually never been to In-N-Out, but from the looks of it, it looks like it's like a Big Mac sauce. It has the relish, it has the mayo and the ketchup, so I'm sure it's pretty similar to the Big Mac sauce. But everybody say that this sauce is really, really good, so I wanted to pick this up as well and try that out. Next, guys, the famous cookie butter. Never tried it. I hope I like it, guys, but I couldn't leave this behind. This is one of the most popular items at Trader Joe's, the cookie butter. I'm not a peanut butter eater at all. I hope it don't taste anything like peanut butter. It shouldn't. I don't think there's any peanuts in it. I hope not. But anyway, I'm gonna try out the cookie butter. Hopefully I like it, and hopefully I found a new snack. Next, I have 3 boxes of pizza here, okay? So this one has Italian sausage, pepperoni, roasted peppers, and roasted onions. This should be really good and tasty. Next, I have the pizza margherita, only because Noonie and Lily, they don't care for all the extra stuff on the pizza. They just like cheese pizza. So I got the pizza margherita. And then right down here, I got the burrata, prosciutto, and arugula flatbread pizza. So I heard that this was very popular and tasty as well. And from the looks of it, it does look very tasty. Okay. So guys, those are the most popular items that recommended for Trader Joe's. Then I'm gonna move on to the next few items that I purchased. So I got a few bags of pasta. This right here, the farfalle, I guess that's how you pronounce it. It's just like bow tie pasta. I picked up 2 bags of those. Then I picked up 2 bags of the penny. I'm gonna make a penny alla vodka dish with chicken one day. So I haven't had penny in a very, very long time. So that's gonna be a nice change for us, the penny alla vodka with chicken. Back here, I picked up a container of the orange peach mango juice. I tried this before. It is very, very good. I just picked up a head of lettuce, regular lettuce, grape tomatoes, and I also have 1 large cucumber. That's so that we can have our salads. Okay. I also have a bag of green beans here. These green beans are actually microwavable, but actually I'm not cooking these in the microwave, guys. I'm gonna wash these green beans and I'm gonna boil them down with a piece of ham hock, and I'm gonna chop up some white potato, and I'm making some country green beans. Okay, I'll probably make that on Sunday this weekend. Maybe I'll make it on Saturday. This way can marinate overnight, and it's even better the next day. Just like spaghetti. Some foods you make the day before, the next day it's off the chain. So yeah, that's how I'm gonna cook these green beans. I'm gonna pair it with some potatoes and some smoked ham hock. And if you don't want to use ham hock, you can get a neck bone, you can get a smoked turkey, you can get bacon, whatever you want. That always kick up the flavor of the country green beans, okay? Next, right here, I have 6 of the opal apples. These apples are very, very sweet and tasty, okay? We are apple fans, so yes, I picked up about 6 of those. Then I had to get another container of the onion salt, okay? Then I got some of the Trader Joe's lemon kitchen hand soap. This soap smells so good. So good. You need to try it. Alright, so down here, guys, I have some of the zucchini noodles. This is really, really good. Sear these up in a pan with salt and pepper to put on the side of your steak or your chicken. It's really, really good. Or you can actually cook these along with some other items, some other vegetables, that is, and make like a vegetable stir fry. Whatever your favorite vegetable, you could pair with this. Stir fry in a frying pan. That could be a whole dish. You don't even need meat with it. That's if you prefer not to have meat. Back here, I got 2 bags of the baby spinach. I'm going to pair this spinach in the dish with some chicken breast, and I'm going to make like a cream of chicken and spinach baked dish shortly. I'm not sure what day I'm going to make it, but it's going to be fairly soon because the baby spinach don't really hold up that long in the refrigerator. And back here we got another container. This is actually a larger container of the cotton candy grapes, our fave. And then, guys, I picked up a box of the beef pho soup. Now, I never had pho. I guess that's how you pronounce it. Tell me if I'm pronouncing it correctly. Is it pho? Pho? It's noodles, rice noodles. But I picked up a box of this. I'm not sure how I'm going to like it. It's going to be my first time trying it. I always wanted to try it. So hopefully it's good. I'm actually going to have this for lunch tomorrow. We'll see what it tastes like. I will let you guys know. And on my next haul for Trader Joe's, if you see a few more boxes of these, you already know. All right, guys. So that will conclude our haul for Trader Joe's today. I hope you guys actually take the time to try some of these items. Let me know how you like it. And also, guys, if there's anything that I may not have that you would definitely recommend, let me know what it is. I will definitely go back to Trader Joe's and pick up whatever it is that you recommend so that me and my family can try it. All right, guys. All right, so I hope you enjoyed our haul today. Thank you so much for taking time to click on our video. Guys, please remember to like, leave me a little comment, guys. I love reading your comments. And subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed, okay? Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys all take care, be blessed, and stay safe out there. Till next time, guys. Bye.